The White House estimates that nearly 1 million kids ages 5 to 11 have received their first COVID-19 vaccine so far. Now, this comes as school mask mandates are starting to disappear. As Mandy Gaither tells us, this has leading experts encouraging more parents to get their children vaccinated.
Some schools are rolling back mask mandates, but is it too soon?
I mean, the masks are like uncomfortable, but it's for safety. If I wear my mask, that means I get to see my friends. I'll just wear a mask.
The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention guidelines have not changed. Students, staff, teachers, and visitors to K-12 schools are recommended to wear masks indoors regardless of vaccination status, just as kids 5 to 11 years old are now eligible to get their first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine.
Getting vaccinated also helps keep our schools open, children's sports going, and helps our children maintain a more normal lifestyle.
A review of school records finds hundreds of districts around the country have made masks optional, including some schools in Georgia, Louisiana, South Carolina, Tennessee, and Kentucky, often citing declines in COVID-19 cases. But experts say the virus is still a threat to young children.
Larger numbers of children and adolescents have been getting infected, and too many of those children have been getting seriously ill and sadly even dying.
The Ohio Department of Education says about 68% of school districts there have dropped mask mandates, and in Texas, schools aren't even allowed to require masks, although some districts like Dallas have ignored the state and kept the mandates. For today's Health Minute, I'm Mandy Gaither.
Well, CDC studies from September that specifically looked at masks found that outbreaks are far more likely in schools that don't require students and staff to wear masks. Well, a new study from Ohio State found most Americans are planning to be cautious of COVID during holiday celebrations this year. Of the 2,000 adults surveyed, half said they plan to ask guests to wear masks. That's down from 67% last year. 3/4 plan to only celebrate with members of their household, and 50% say they'll ask about their guests' vaccination status, while 46% will require unvaccinated guests to test negative for COVID before attending the gathering.